Hello YouTube and everyone. Have you ever wondered how to be confident in any situation? Then stick around and watch this video because there is a lot to come. So yeah. Okay everyone, so in this video, like I said, it's about how to be confident in any situation. So in this video, an article of mine, I will be going over how to be confident in any situation, how to be confident, and how to become confident and to be understandable is the only reason why I said it, and so many other ways on how to be confident, okay? But before I get started, please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. All right. Confidence is a very difficult thing. Feeling proud about yourself is so uncomplicated to put at the will of others when it should only be up to you. The good part is that you're driving this self-oath train and is ready to leave from the station. How to be confident with 3 simple steps is the first subtopic. And step number 1, choose on what and don't be so anxious about the how. Stay concentrated on your what. Don't delay a drop of your concentration on doubt and you take away its power. Don't create excuses when we encounter with something new. We frequently make enormous lists that blocks us from attempting. Instead, think about all the times you doubted something that ended working out substantial. After you've took action from deciding on the what, plan out the how, but don't allow it to make you doubt your goal or keep you from it. It could take some trials and misfortunes. However, the how can always be made, so it should never get in the way of the what. Step number 2, separate can't from your vocabulary. What keeps doubt attached is the word can't, and it really is confusing. Can't stops you and me from attempting, and there is no way to be certain that you can't do something other than literally attempting to do it and take action of it. Instead of saying can't, ask yourself, how can you? All right? View everything as acquiring skill in, because it all is. Since anything can be attained other than some real physical restrictions, there is nothing you can't do, right? The starting point and step is the most difficult, and if you concentrate on all the possible road bumps ahead, you may never grasp it. Step number 3, view mistakes as acquiring skills and opportunities. Have you ever wondered if frustration wasn't the end? When you think of frustration as lasting, it can be uncomplicated to become discouraged and believe that there is no going ahead. However, if you and I are confident in our ability to enhance, then frustration doesn't have to end here. Instead of rebuking yourself for mistakes, acquire skill in from them. Identify and accept your mistakes. You are not stated by them. Don't grasp onto your mistakes. Instead, think deeply and find out why they were created. As you're doing this and taking action, keep it tangible. Don't blow your mistakes out of segment and don't criticize them. Make a formal application or request what you've acquired skill in with the intent of staying away from future mistakes. Okay? However, with the comprehension that they will always be a part of success. The one real mistake is from which we acquire skill in nothing. Nada. Make a formal application or request the not yet formula to your self-arranging system. Commemorate your operation. Instead of only commemorating complete victory, recognize and commemorate your enhancements. Attempt executing a victory timeline. Draw out a line that begins with your first step and ends on your goal. Every time you have victory and a step to reaching your goal, make a mark on your timeline. When you encounter a mistake or frustration, remind yourself that it's not the end. Okay? You just may not be there yet, so grasp modifying and attempting until you get there. Next is exposure to danger with business. Okay? Business and exposure to danger is two or more things that are in close cooperation or closely linked together, and that's in the huge part why confidence is so crucial. Taking exposure to dangers involves having enough self-confidence and braveness to dive into something without being certain what the result will be. Okay? In business and in life, it takes confidence to take exposure to danger. However, taking exposure to danger can literally even build more confidence. When we take exposure to danger, either they work out and we build confidence through the win, or they don't and we obtain confidence through acquiring skill in that we can handle more than we think. Taking calculated exposure to danger now, okay? Taking the exposure to danger, however, do some studying first, okay? Design a flexible scheme. Be prepared to acquire skill and from any exposure to danger that you take. Make a formal application or request of what you acquire skill in to the calculation operation of the next exposure to danger you take. Remember that taking exposure to danger helps build your confidence through stepping outside of your comfort area. Each time you take action of this, you become more comfortable with the operation and more confident in it, despite everything of the result. Make a formal application or request of frustration to build future success is what's next. Okay? It is possibly hard to visualize that you will ever succeed in the encounter of multiple frustrations. Maybe even harder to visualize being confident with more frustrations in your hands. At these moments, attempt to remember that many of the world's considerable successes come from the frustration of people who had enough self-confidence to attempt again. All right? Next, building confidence through frustration in your life. Make use of any frustration as an opportunity to transform what isn't working and attempt again. Look at self-belief as a muscle. The more you make use of it, the tougher it gets. Frustration makes us tough and prepare us for taking on more. Remember that it is better to be frustrated at something daring than settle for mediocrity. Take thought of each frustration as a not yet on your path to success. Next, how to bring back confidence when doubt begins to take over. 1. Write down huge wins that you've had in the past. Break it down into achievements you've made in the past week, the past month, and the past year, no matter how small. Reminding yourself of times you've succeeded in the past will increase your confidence. Put reminders of these achievements around your work and home space. Number 2, use resources to provide you with aesthetic daily reminders to concentrate on your considerable size challenges and reach for your goals with confidence. This declaration serves as a reminder that you're not alone on your expedition. Increasing self-confidence is more uncomplicated when you know you're not alone. Number 3, look for a mantra that brings you confidence. When I'm in need of increased confidence, I tell myself everything I need to achieve this. Okay? Since I did my research on this. For my own curiosity to know that. And look for your mantra and repeat it to yourself when doubt begins to take over. Right? Next, success from increasing self-confidence. The only thing from having barrier in the way of your success is your own self-doubt. Once you and I remind ourselves of our past success and begin turning mistakes into acquiring skill and experience, and an opportunity to grow, confidence comes easily. Use your daily reminders and tools to keep you concentrated on your goals and view every mistake as a not yet on your path to success, and you will reach your destination. Okay? So that is it for this video. I hope you all got something useful out of this, and I hope I answered a lot of stuff for you. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace. Bye.